and the aftermath of the song. We just wrapped 5 minutes ago. Everyone has left. Everyone's gone home.
बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है। मैं कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता थोड़ी बदतमीजी ही कर लेते हैं।
Badtameez Dil, it unfolds at an event where Ranveer's character Bunny has come back into the lives of his friends and into the lives of the other characters in the film after a gap of many years.
It all originated from this single trumpet solo piece that Pritam had in his mind. It goes pa 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 para pa 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 para pa 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 para para para. वहाँ से शुरू हुआ. Then the idea was to कि उसमें कुछ जिब्रिश हो. So अब जिब्रिश लिखना बोला जाए तो भी खुली छूट है, कुछ भी लिखो तो बंदी करके. तो पान में पुदीना देखा, नाक का नगीना देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमीना देखा. So it's basically gibberish and sounds fun.
पान में पुदीना देखा, नाक का नगीना देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमीना देखा, चांद ने चिटर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा.
We just needed a really high energy, fun song, and I think Pritam gave us that and more in Badtameez Dil.
Oh, I was dancing and performing a song after 2 years. It was hard. I rehearsed it for a couple of days.
बहुत फास्ट है.
I think he's great in the song. I think he's an amazing dancer. I'm almost sure that when this song is out there and people see it, they're going to go away thinking that this is the best that Ranbir Kapoor has ever danced.
First of all, the production brought some really cheap champagne which refused to kind of spray properly the way champagne is normally sprayed. And then I think Ranbir was kind of trying to take out some type of khunnas on me because there was no need for him to spray so many bottles of champagne, but he kept going on and on and on.
बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, मानना.
पहली बार आप लोग देखेंगे कि रणबीर इस तरीके का डांस करेगा. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड.
Rem was really a wonderful talent because he's been in the industry for quite some time now. But even now, when you see his songs, there's a lot of freshness to it. You know, that he brings in something new to the table.
There's a section in the song where suddenly everyone's like freaking out and they're like breaking things and like the whole party has become like a, you know, like teenagers just gone crazy, like one of those moments.
Yeah, the cake was very hard. You should, check with the production designer Amrita because she got I don't know how many layer cake, and we were meant to throw something on the cake, and it was meant to blast. We threw a chair, we threw many things. It used to just bounce back.
And Ranbir, I think perhaps to get back for all the pain that I caused him in the film,
where I made him wear a suit.
Everyone smashes.
got them to smash a cake on my head and spray me with a bottle of champagne. It's just a testament of my devotion and dedication towards my own family. Guys, equipment, please.
शी के बनवे से खुद को मोड़ना जानना, कंबल बेवजह ये शर्म का ओढ़ना जानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना, बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना.